The ambassadors visited this school last week. They were able to identify this particular boy named Sunday Agbo. Right, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you can see how terrible his school uniform is. See how he's looking like, very tattered uniform. He cannot compete favorably with his mates with this kind of uniform. So we deem it fit that we need to replace his school uniform. And that is why we've come today to present another one to him so that we can replace this tattered uniform. And I'm here with all the ambassadors and the volunteers for the presentation of this uniform to
Sunday Agbo.
These are little boys, Sunday Agbo. That is how we are here this afternoon. And see, here is the uniform. Sunday Agbo, take this uniform so that you can give confidence and you'll be able to compete with your mates in the class. So, automatically this build his confidence and then he will be able to compete with his mates. If he has been taking position like 12 before, he will now be taking first and second. That's the belief. So it is also important, everybody that is watching this video all over the world should also equally try and begin to partake in things like this and begin to support all the needy, the less privileged around you. We are not saying bring your money to us. We are not saying come and contribute to what we are doing, but just do your part. There are so many other children that are looking tattered like this one that is looking smart now, and you can make them look like this. Do that and God will bless you richly. Thank you all.